Hey there, everybody. Welcome to Coda Essentials. My name is Maria Marquis, and in this video, we're going to talk about column formats. So if you're working in a traditional spreadsheet program, every cell in your spreadsheet is the same. It's just some basic text. But with Coda, you can actually decide what kind of format you want each piece of information to be in so it better reflects what it actually is to you. So let's come on in and take a look. Here in my table, I already have some column formats at play. And we can see if I hover over the top, I see a little icon that lets me know what it is. So we have a select list, we have a date picker, we have a duration, we have a select list, and we have a nice little checkbox. If I ever want to change any of these, all I need to do is click on that little drop down, choose the options here, I can customize it, or I can go ahead and convert it to something completely different from this lovely long list right over here. So you have lots of ways to customize. Now, what I want to do is I want to add some new columns to see some of the different column types that we have available to us. To add a new column, you just click on this nice little plus sign right over here, and the first thing you get to do is decide what you want it to be. So under number, the two that I really like that add a little bit of fun, a little creativity, are the slider and the scale. Slider creates a cool little sliding experience, right? Where you can say how much effort it is, or maybe you want to do like the percentage, right? It expresses itself in that way. Under scale and the number, you can decide, oh, you know what? Maybe I want to have it be on a series of 5 stars, right? Or if you want to get a little creative, click on that drop down, go to the scale options, and you can decide I want it to be hearts, or suns, or light bulbs, or coffee cups, or flames, right? I'm going to choose coffee cups. And now you've got a cool way to express that value here. Some of the other ones that I love here under the plus sign is the reaction column. This allows you to get a really quick pulse from people on different rows. So I'm just going to choose the thumbs up here. And now we've got this handy little button where you can just click on it and get a little count of how many people have thumbs upped that certain item. The last one I want to show you that's really fun and fancy, if you click on this plus sign, is the canvas option. This allows you to put a Coda page inside of this row. So I could click on open now, and I have a great way that I can just start typing in here, right? Just start typing, and I can highlight that and get all of the formatting options that we have if we were just working on a page. So a great way to get all of that extra information about a key project or a task or a person, all in one spot. So the key with column formats is they allow you to really customize it so the data is exactly what you need it to be. The last kind of column format that I want to share with you today, though, is you can actually do a formula right inside of a column. So maybe I want to know for all of the effort days, I want to have like a contingency. So maybe 10 days more is when we have to start worrying about it. So I want to know what is all of the effort days plus 10. Now, I could do that in my head, right? 46 plus 10, but who has time for that? So I'm going to just add a column here. We're going to make it just text for now. And I'm going to do that. We'll say for the text, it'll be the contingency date. And I tell Coda, hey, I'm ready to do a formula by pressing equals. That opens up the formula builder. And now I can say the effort days plus 10. I press enter, and that formula hits every single row automatically. So I have all of that happening and calculating for me right off the bat, saving me that time. All right, now it's your turn. Head to your tables, start customizing, choosing those formats, and I'll see you next time.